Hi, I'm Sasha Segan from PCMag.com with a really cool thing for you today, the OnePlus Buds. The OnePlus Buds are OnePlus's new low-cost true wireless earbuds. Now, this is the model in the Nord blue color. This is the blue from the new OnePlus Nord phone. And look at them, they're just gorgeous. They also come in this blue and green case. These are $79, and for this kind of design and this kind of look, they're really lovely. But performance is also really nice. Let me get the other color and we'll talk a little about the performance. So here we have the OnePlus Buds in the more standard white. Now the white buds are going to be the model available in the US. The blue buds are only available in Europe and India, but they're so cool, I think they might be worth trying to find. Now here's the white buds. As you can see, they come in this charging case. Now I've tested about 8 hours of battery life with the buds on their own, and the charging case has 2 more charges. So that's a total of about 24 hours of battery life. The charging case charges via USB-C, and it charges pretty quickly, so there's not that much to worry about in terms of charging. Now let's take a closer look at one of the buds themselves. Now as you can tell, this looks a lot like an AirPod Pro. They don't have removable, exchangeable ear tips. It's one size fits all. But like with the AirPods Pro, when you put it in your ear, it is relatively secure and comfortable. Now, it might not be if you have very oddly sized or oddly shaped ears, and for those, you're going to need to get buds that have more exchangeable ear tips. There is this little boom here, which improves sound quality. Now, something that you need to understand about the buds, here I'm going to put the other one in now. Now, something you need to understand about the buds is that sound quality is pretty good in the mic, but there is very little noise cancellation. So, for instance, when you heard that car go by over there, that car noise would come through on the buds. Music quality, audio quality on these, generally excellent. I tried them with various kinds of music, I tried them with voice, they sound really good. Now let me show you something on a phone about the OnePlus Buds quality and the number one thing that I think is a problem with these earbuds. Now here's the Android control panel for the OnePlus Buds. As you can tell, using a OnePlus phone, you can find out individual battery levels for each of the buds and the case. You can turn on AAC high music quality. Now notice it's AAC and not aptX. I don't see aptX lossless on this, I see AAC. And you can see a couple of other options. Now what you don't see, and the biggest problem with the OnePlus Buds, is on-device controls. Now going back to these buds, if you tap the bud, right now it goes to the next music track. Now, if you have a OnePlus phone, you'll be able to change that double tap to be activating Google Assistant or Play Pause or something like that. That software isn't on my phone yet, so I couldn't show you. But there's only one control. You, for instance, don't have on-device controls for volume, and you can't have multiple options with multiple taps. But the thing is, it's only one control. You can't have on-device volume controls, and you can't have multiple options with multiple kinds of taps. There is a long press, which lets you hang up on a call or lets you change between 2 phones or a phone and a PC that are both attached to the buds, but you can't customize that. And you can only customize the double tap if you have a OnePlus phone. Now, I would personally customize it to be Google Assistant because you can access a lot of these other features from Google Assistant. Play pause, that sort of stuff. You can do that all from Google Assistant. See, doesn't this look cool? Blue earbud. You don't see a lot of those in other brands. All the same though, these earbuds cost $79.99. That's a lot less than other high quality true wireless earbuds with this kind of range. I was definitely seeing over 30 feet of range with clear music quality, which is really nice. Good range, good battery life, good sound quality. That is a really cool thing, even if the on-device controls aren't as flexible as I would like. So those are the OnePlus Buds. They're really neat. They come in blue and white. They will be available for $79.99. This has been One Cool Thing from PCMag.com with Sasha Sagan. Take a look at PCMag.com for my full review of the OnePlus Buds.